Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Fiverr in Android or iOS. So it's very simple. First of all, make sure you have Fiverr app in your mobile, and just after that, you just need to open this app. And you can see 3 buttons, which is more in the bottom right corner. Just click on this. Right after that, you can go to settings here. And you can see general in the last. Just click on this, and right after that, here is the exit. Just click on this, and exiting will limit your availability and you might not receive calls and messages on Fiverr. So you need to press OK here, and just like that you are logged out. But if you surely want to log out, you just need to go to settings in your mobile, and here you have to go to apps. And inside you need to go to manage app and search for Fiverr. So right after that, you need to clear data or cache and just uninstall it, so it will be fully log out or sign out. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.